everyone, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do our project this week. This week you're going to start with a piece of paper and either a black Sharpie or a pencil. You are going to write either your full last name, as I did, or your full first name. And you are going to write them in capital letters, in lowercase letters, in cursive if you can, and you're going to write them kind of scattered all over your paper, all throughout, just like I am right now. So I'm turning my paper, I'm flipping my paper to the bottom, to the right, to the left, upside down. I'm turning it all around, and I'm going to repeat my name. When I write my name, probably at least 20 times, I'm writing small letters, I'm writing really big letters, I'm writing them in every way I can think of right now. I'm going to speed up my video just a little bit so you can see I'm writing my name, and I'm just making sure I'm taking up most of my paper here. And when I am looking pretty good, I've got most of my paper filled up, I'm going to go ahead and decide what materials I'm going to use. And the materials that I can use are watercolor paints, colored pencils, crayons, regular markers, Sharpie markers. I can pick what I would like to use. I've decided to use Sharpie markers, and I'm going to fast forward while I'm finishing this up, but as I'm adding my color, I can add my color to every space that's a fully closed shape. So if there's lines kind of going out into nowhere and there's not a shape made, I'm going to leave those empty. But I'm going to fill in every shape as I'm doing right now. And I'm going to keep filling in all my shapes until I have my entire paper filled with whatever color scheme that I've chosen. In this case, I chose to use a rainbow color scheme. So I'm filling all my shapes until my entire paper is filled in. And then when I've got all of my solid shapes filled in, then I have completed my abstract drawing of my name.